Did you know that QuickBooks Online is the easiest software in the world to use? All you have to do is learn how to navigate the QuickBooks Online interface. If you just signed up, there are two possible things that you could see in your QuickBooks Online interface. You could be looking at your QuickBooks Online in Business View, or you could be looking at your QuickBooks Online in Accountant View. Now, why does QuickBooks Online do this? Some people who sign up have it automatically presented in Business View, and other people who sign up have it automatically presented in Accountant View. And it's random. It doesn't matter what browser you're using or how you signed up. If it looks like this on the left side of your screen, it means that by default, your QuickBooks Online was set up in Accountant View. However, if the left panel looks like this, it means by default, automatically, your QuickBooks Online was set up in Business View. Now, in Accountant View, the left panel menu choices are written out clearly, but in Business View, you can see that you would have to click one of those icons in order to open up the remaining choices. This is what it looks like in Business View in the left panel, and this is what it looks like in Accountant's View in the left panel. But don't worry, even though I will be using Accountant View during the course, I'm going to show you how to switch between them very easily so you can always use the view that you prefer. But regardless of which view you are showing, there will always be three things that will be the same. And these are three things that you will use all the time. The first thing that will always be there and always be the same will be the cog wheel in the top right. If you click on it, it opens a menu with choices that allow you to open windows that help you set up and maintain your QuickBooks Online account. So in Business View, here it is, the cog wheel with these links to windows that help you change the permanent information inside your account. And it's also here in Accountant View. And the other thing that will be the same is this plus sign in the top left corner. The plus sign in the top left corner opens the menu choice for all of the different transactions and all of the different day-to-day tasks that you would do when using QuickBooks Online. And again, if you're in Business View or if you're in Accountant View, it's in the top left and the main menu choices are the same. The other thing that will always be there is the left panel menu. And even though they are different in Business View or in Accountant's View, most of these menu choices are basically repeats of the same choices that you can open if you open either the cog wheel or the plus sign. They just make it a little easier for you to get to. But one thing that will always be in the left panel menu that will never be in the plus sign or the cog wheel is the Reports menu. And the Reports menu is one of the most important menus in QuickBooks. And if you go to the left panel in the Accountant View, you can click Reports, and you can see that you can control the three categories of the report area. If you were in Business View, you would have to click Business Overview and get a sub-menu and then click the Reports choice to be able to get here to the different menu choices within the Reports menu. Now, you should know that this used to be the only place to get to your reports. However, with the new interface, you probably noticed that this is what it looks like in the middle of your screen. This is a relatively new part of the interface, and again, they are both basically shortcuts to the same windows. So this is what it looks like in Business View if you go back to Getting Things Done, and this is what it looks like in Accountant's View if you go back to the dashboard. The Getting Things Done looks the same, and if you scroll down, you will see there is now a new shortcut to the same reports menu that you had to use only in the left panel. And if you're in Business View, Business View, you have the same set of shortcuts where you can just click and go to the Reports menu. Once you're in the Reports menu, you will see how to manage reports easily. And those are the three most important places to click when navigating around QuickBooks Online.